हेलो प्रेरणा जी।
हाय प्रत्यांशा।
कैसे हैं आप?
बिल्कुल बढ़िया।
दैट्स ग्रेट। तो आप हमें बताइए कि आप क्या करते हैं प्रोफेशनली।
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Prerna Gupta. I am a dental surgeon. I take care of the oral health. Just like a physician take care of your body, we take care of your teeth. Here patients come to me with their dental problems. We listen to their problems, give them treatment according to what they require.
प्रेरणा जी, आप मुझे बताइए कि आपने ये स्टडी सारी कहाँ से की है?
Pratyansha, I was born and brought up in Delhi. I did
Okay.
my primary and secondary education from Delhi at Bluebells International School. It was a CBSE school.
Okay.
And after that, there was no separate, there was not a single NEET exam. There were different state exams. I cleared UP, PMT, and then I got admission for BDS at Lucknow at Saraswati Dental College, a prestigious dental college in Lucknow.
Okay, okay, that's great. So आपको इसके लिए किसी ने करियर गाइडेंस दिया था या आपने खुद ने ये सिलेक्ट की थी स्ट्रीम? हाउ वाज इट?
नहीं, see, I was very much interested in dentistry. My passion was always about dentistry. I knew about dentistry. You know, you also know, whenever you meet a person, the first thing you see is their smile. That makes the most remarkable presence in the person is their smile. And I always wanted to create smiles. I like to create beautiful smiles around.
That's great, that's great. ठीक है ना जी, आप हमें बताइए कि आपको क्या लगता है डेंटिस्ट फील्ड में इतना ज्यादा स्कोप है कि आप आज के बच्चों को बता सके कि आप डेंटिस्ट आप होना ही चाहिए?
Yes, there's a lot of scope in dentistry. Dentistry is not about just daanton ke doctor. There is a lot of scope. You can open your own practice soon after completing your BDS. You can be an entrepreneur, like you say. You can even do specializations. In dentistry, we have different specializations. You can do specialization in orthodontics, periodontics, oral surgery, oral medicine, whichever field you like. Even you can work with hospitals. Even I have worked with many hospitals. You can work with them. You can work with government. Government have many public government organizations which are doing oral health care. You can also work in corporate sector. There are many dental companies before which they develop and you can market their dental products as well.
True, true.
Even numerous scope.
That's great, that's great. तो आपको क्या लगता है आज के बच्चों को करियर गाइडेंस की जरूरत है, करियर काउंसलिंग उनकी होनी चाहिए?
डेफिनेटली। अब वो 3 इडियट्स का टाइम नहीं है कि बच्चा पैदा होता ही हमने डिसाइड कर लिया डॉक्टर का बच्चा डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर का बच्चा इंजीनियर. जस्ट लाइक यू नो एक्चुअली नीड टू नो द एप्टीट्यूड ऑफ द पर्सन. जो एप्टीट्यूड है, द पैशन, where the passion lies, he will excel in that field itself. You know, it's not like you're working hard in something and you will excel. You need to have a passion, and for that you need to have the correct career counseling, and that's why Pratyansha ma'am is here.
Thank you, thank you. So thank you so much for your all opinions, and surely we'll look after it.